what's the last thing that you fixed around the house?
I cleaned out the garage.
Okay, well, what a coincidence. Because Diana and I have to clean out our garage today, too.
Ah.
Yeah, we want to learn how to do it like modern women. So we are going to need your help, though.
But we're going to do it ourselves. You're going to help us in a completely different way, okay? You're going to stay right here. You're going to get nice and close to this, okay?
Yeah.
Put it right up near your mouth hole there. There you go. And we're going to do all the talking. We'll do all the cleaning of the garage. But you're going to help us out by providing all of the sound effects for us.
Step one, we open the garage door.
Ooh.
Okay, here we go.
I thought you installed an automatic opener.
That is the electric opener.
You got one of those talking ones.
Yeah, it's not like Alexa or Google.
It's a Gary.
It's a Gary home. Yeah. Hey, Gary, play some music.
Play some music?
Yeah, that's what I said, Gary. Play some music.
Strangers in the night, exchanging glances, wandering in the night. What were the chances we'd be sharing lives?
Gary, go to sleep.
Gary, volume to 2. Yeah, so I think the problem is that I did install the electric door opener, but clearly it doesn't work.
Right.
So we better fix that first.
Fix that first.
Yeah.
Good idea. Oh gosh. Oh look, the toolkit is right in the middle of this whole mess here. Let me just get it off the top shelf. There we go. Just open that up. I'm just gonna oil everything.
That's just Febreze.
Oh. It definitely helps.
Yeah. It's what I wear on a night out.
Oh, yeah. All right, well, I guess the first thing we got to do is probably tighten up some of the screws on this automatic opener.
Yeah.
All right, I've got my wrench here. Let me just tighten these up.
Got it. Nice and tight.
Gary, we had a conversation about these kinds of things that you say.
To be fair, it was a screw.
Yeah. And to be fair, you were doing it kind of provocatively. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think we've done a lot so far. I think we deserve a nice cold beer.
Oh, let me just
Crack it open.
I think mine's flat. Mine was chunky.
Yeah,
I
it
think
might
the
have been
beer's
off.
been in here for too long. Look at all this crap that's in here. Oh no, we've moved one too many things, and all of the stuff that's in the garage is gonna fall on us. It's all like a big avalanche. It was constipated. Oh no, I'm pinned under all of the wreckage. There's a couch and a spare tire and a bunch of fencing on me.
No. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make it. Diana, do I have to perform CPR?
Okay.
Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Ready, and. Gary, what you do in the privacy of your own home is your business.
Faster.